In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy multiple slides in Google Slides between presentations. By the end, you'll know exactly how to select the slides you want, copy them cleanly, and paste them into the perfect spot, whether you're staying in the same deck or moving to a different one. First, open your Google Slides presentation, give it a moment to load in editing mode, and look to the left side of your screen. That vertical panel with small previews is your slide film strip. Everything we do will happen there because it's the easiest place to select and organize slides. Click the first slide you want to copy in that left panel. You'll see it highlight to confirm it's selected. If you want a continuous block of slides, hold the Shift key and click the last slide in the range. Google Slides will select everything from the first click to the last, which is perfect for grabbing entire sections. If you need to pick slides that aren't next to each other, hold Control on Windows or Chromebook or Command on a Mac, and click each slide individually. Each one you click will stay highlighted. If you change your mind, use the same Control or Command click again to remove a slide from the selection. With your slides selected, right-click on any one of them and choose Copy. If you prefer shortcuts, Ctrl+C on Windows or Chromebook and Command+C on Mac does the same thing. You won't see anything move yet, but your slides are now stored and ready to paste. Next, go to your destination. This can be the same presentation if you're reorganizing or a different presentation if you're merging content. If it's another deck, switch to its tab or open it in a new one. In the destination's left slide panel, right-click where you want the slides to appear. Choosing Paste will insert the copied slides at that position. Keyboard shortcuts work here too if you like. You'll see the slides drop into place, keeping their order exactly as you selected them. If Paste doesn't seem to work, make sure you're right-clicking in the left film strip, not on the canvas. And if you accidentally lose your selection while switching tabs, just repeat the selection steps. It only takes a moment. Google Slides saves automatically, so once you paste, your changes are safe. That's it. Open the presentation, select your slides in the film strip, copy and paste them right where you need them. Simple, fast, and reliable.